Welcome to the Rebel News India. This is Muskan here with today's top headline. Let's have a look.
North Korea and South Korea have exchanged gunfire in a demilitarized zone which divides two countries. According to a statement by the Shia-dominated Popular Mobilization Force (PMF), 10 members of an Iraqi militant group have been killed in a fierce clash with IS. Kim Jong-un appeared in public after a gap of almost 3 weeks as there was a rumor of his critical illness. Boris Johnson, the PM of United Kingdom, and Carrie Simons named their child after a doctor who treats Johnson for COVID-19. A satellite lets scientists see Antarctica melting like never before. 4 army soldiers and 1 Jammu Kashmir cop martyrs in Handwara encounter, whereas Defense Minister Rajnath Singh tweeted, "The loss of our soldiers and security personnel in Handwara, Jammu Kashmir is deeply disturbing and painful. We all will never forget their bravery and sacrifice." The Indian Air Force jet and transport planes are showering petals on hospitals and places of national importance across the country to show support to medical professionals and the warrior of COVID-19 pandemic. Manipur declared as COVID-19 free zone. CM Biren Singh says all the credit goes to lockdown restrictions. Odisha bus carrying stranded migrants from Surat in Gujarat to Berhampur in Odisha overturns at Kalinga Ghat. 1 died and 40 have been rescued so far. Thousands of flamingo creates a sea pink during lockdown in Mumbai.
7-year-old raped in Rohtas, a 55-year-old man arrested. Bihar reports 4th COVID-19 death. A 45-year-old died in a hospital of Patna. Poor should not go hungry, RJD President Jagdanand Singh said. 2 Shramik special train from Kerala leaves for Bihar, Ernakulam to Danapur and Tirupur to Danapur.
We have some news from entertainment and sports world also. Let's have a look.
Ramanand Sagar's Ramayana became the highest watched show with 7.7 crore impressions, surpassing shows like Game of Thrones and Big Bang Theory. Information and Broadcast Minister Prakash Javadekar penned a letter for creator late Ramanand Sagar's family, thanking them for allowing Ramayana's rerun. Amitabh Bachchan pays moving tribute to Rishi Kapoor, shares emotional clip from 102 Not Out movie. Irfan Khan's son shares throwback video of actor enjoying a plate full of pani puri. J.K. Rowling, the creator of the Harry Potter, is donating £1 million to charities supporting vulnerable people during the lockdown. Gautam Gambhir credits MS Dhoni for Rohit Sharma's success. He said, "Where Rohit Sharma is today, it is because of MS Dhoni." After 2 surgery and injury, hockey player Reena is waiting for selection in Tokyo Olympic. IOC member and IOA President Narendra Batra has said Tokyo Olympic will definitely be held next year. International Tennis Federation issued a set of guidelines for local and national level competitions. Basically, these guidelines are for crowd and player safety. Will Beaumont re-elected as chairman of World Rugby for another 4 years.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.